tuke ni tima mar Nairobi City Thunder ochopo e fainol mar basketball mar jok machuo e pacho kae bang' loyo Equity Dumas 3-0 e alap manyayo Gymnasium. Thunder mosebedo katimo orako margi Shauri Moyo noloyo jo Bengi mag Equity 77-54 e tugo mar adeka. Thunder nochako maracha kendo giwito kwota mokwongo mar tugono 11-13 kata kamano e nus mokwongo ne giloyo 29-26. Robo mar adeka mar tugono ne giyudo loch mar 20-18. Sani koro gibiro rado gi Kenya Ports Authority e fainol.
Say is I'm so relieved to be done with these guys. These guys are such great competitors. You can see whenever we play them, even leads are just not safe. You know, they come back even when we have big leads, and so I'm really happy to be done with them.
They didn't play well today. Thunder really did a very good job. They shot the ball well, and the other guys, according to our plan, started playing very well. So our defense was just chasing them along the way. I think they played extremely well today.
Ramogi